Before we start writing Python code, we first need to install Python and set up our environment. Don't worry, this will only take a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to the official Python website, python.org. Once the page loads, click on Downloads. You will see a big button that says Download Python. Click it to download the latest version. After the file finishes downloading, open the installer. Now this step is very important. Before clicking Install, make sure you check the box that says Add Python to Path. This allows your computer to recognize Python from the terminal. After that, click Install Now. The installation will take a few seconds.
2,000 years later.
Once it's finished, we can verify that Python works correctly. Open your terminal or command prompt and type Python version. If everything is installed correctly, you should see the Python version displayed on the screen. Congratulations! Python is now installed on your computer. In the next video, we'll write our first Python program.